Imagine the sun gently rising, casting a warm, golden glow over the bustling streets of Manila. The aroma of garlic sautéing fills the air, a telltale sign of a quintessential Filipino breakfast being prepared. Picture this: a steaming plate of sinangag, garlic fried rice, topped with a perfectly fried egg, its yolk just begging to be broken, and a generous serving of tapa, tender strips of marinated beef sizzling in its own juices. This, dear viewers, is tapsilog, a beloved classic in the Filipino breakfast repertoire. As we journey further into our breakfast adventure, we come across a dish that perfectly encapsulates the sweet and savory dynamic of Filipino cuisine. Meet champorado, a creamy, chocolatey rice porridge. It's a comforting bowl of sweetness, often paired with tuyo, sun-dried, salted fish, for that delightful balance of flavors. Now we venture into the realm of soup-based breakfasts. Lugaw, a savory rice porridge, is a staple comfort food, often garnished with crunchy garlic bits, spring onions, and a dash of calamansi. It's a bowl of warmth and familiarity. Not to be overlooked, we have mami, a noodle soup dish loaded with chicken, beef, or pork, and a soft-boiled egg, delivering a symphony of flavors and textures in every spoonful. And of course, who could forget the quintessential Filipino breakfast on the go, taho. It's a sweet, warm tofu pudding topped with caramelized sugar syrup and sago pearls. It's the perfect pick-me-up to start the day on a sweet note. Before we continue with our culinary journey, a quick reminder to show some love by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. Your support helps bring more food adventures to your screens. As we wrap up our breakfast adventure, let's recap the dishes we've covered today. We started with the savory tapsilog, dived into the sweet and savory combo of champorado and tuyo, warmed our souls with lugaw and mami, and ended on a sweet note with taho. Each dish, unique in its own right, paints a vibrant picture of the rich and diverse culinary landscape of the Philippines. So there you have it, a sumptuous breakfast adventure through the heart of Filipino cuisine. It's a gastronomic journey that speaks volumes about the culture, the people, and the love for food that is deeply ingrained in the Filipino way of life. So, the next time the sun rises, why not start your day the Filipino way?